Good morning, children. How are you all? Today we are going to see the concept of circles. Okay, so in circles already I uploaded the video theorem 10.1. This is the second theorem 10.2. So now we start the theorem. The length of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Theorem 10.1 first I wrote, then then I take the video and upload it. This theorem I will directly do the theorem by video. Okay, so the length of the tangents, that means here the length of the tangents drawn from an external point to the circle are equal. We are going to prove the tangents will be equal from the outside center of, that means this is one circle, this is the center of the radius. From the center of the radius, that means O, from the center of the radius you have to draw one external point P. This external point you have to draw two tangents. This is one tangent, this is another tangent. This tangent is touching the circle, that is, this is Q, this is R. Then you join OR and OQ. That means this OR is 90 degree. The angle Q is 90 degree, angle R is 90 degree. Okay, this concept only we are going to prove. That means we have to draw the circle. From the circle we have to take one external point. Using that external point we have to draw two tangents. The tangents point is, angle will be 90 degree. So the two tangents will be equal. We are going to prove the two tangents. That means PQ equal to PR. You are going to prove it. So we start. Given, let circle be with the center. What is the first given means? Let circle be with center O. This is the first given. Next, and BPA and P be a point outside circle. BP outside the circle. Point P is the outside the circle. So PQ and PR are two tangents of the circle. PQ and PR are the two tangents of the circle intersecting at point Q and R respectively. Intersecting at point Q and R respectively. Okay, so this is the given values. What you are going to prove means to prove the length of the tangents. Length of the tangents are equal. That means PQ equal to PR. This is only you are going to prove. This is only you are going to prove. So if you want to prove means you need construction, correct? Let's start the construction. Join O, Q, O, R and O, P. That means you have to join O, Q, O, R and O, P. Now let's start the proof. Okay, what you are going to prove? As PQ is a tangent means PQ is a tangent means OQ is perpendicular to that means OQ is perpendicular to PQ. I already told you in theorem 10.1, one smaller line is lesser than the tangent means that line is perpendicular to that line, tangent, correct? So from theorem, therefore theorem 10.1. So OQ is perpendicular to PQ means, so angle OQP equal to 90 degree. Therefore triangle OQP is a right angle. Right angle. Similarly, PR is a tangent means you can say OR is perpendicular to PR. So angle ORP equal to 90 degree. Triangle ORP is a right. This is equation 1. Right angle. This is equation 2. Okay, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So using Pythagoras theorem, using Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square equal to height square. Hypotenuse square equal to height square plus base square. So from these two triangles, we are going to, that means in right angled triangle OQP, right angle triangle OQP, OP square equal to OQ square plus PQ square. So PQ square equal to OP square minus OQ square. OP square minus OQ square. Okay. So this is equation 1. In right angled triangle ORP, OP square equal to OR square plus PR square. OP square equal to OR square plus PR square, but OR equal to OQ, correct? OR equal to OQ. So OP square can be written as OQ square plus PR square. r square equal to OP square minus OQ square. This is equation 2. From equation 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Right hand side will be cancelled. This right hand side will be cancelled because OP square minus OQ square, OP square minus OQ square. Okay. So we can say that PQ square equal to PR square. Square square cancel. Square cancel both sides. PQ equal to PR. The length of the tangents are equal. Hence proved. Hence proved. Okay, length of the tangents are equal. Hence proved. So